welcome back guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be cooking for you guys Jamaican rice and peas, as American would call it peas and rice, but anyway you call it, are the same thing we are talking about. So as I say, welcome back to the channel. So if you haven't subscribed as yet, where you are waiting for? I'll be things that go on the channel. Subscribe man, like, share man, and comment man. So come on over here, let me show you what I go on. Let me show you my ingredients. So as I say, a rice and peas. So you can't have your rice and peas without your rice. So this is my coconut milk, and this is my peas in the can, jerk seasoning, my garlic cloves, my allspice berry, aka pimento seed. Can't do without a scotch bonnet pepper, your thyme and your green onions. So all this spice. These right here are the spice. These are the main ingredients, but these top it off and make the thing good. Alright. So over here now is my cooktop and my pot ready for put in. So guys, this right here, I'm going to try and do this in 35 minutes. Okay? Because the peas are already cooked, the coconut milk in the can. So guess what? We now go the traditional way. We are going the way how we can do it in America. Because if you buy the coconut in America, it's not 100% sure you're going to get a good coconut. You're going to waste your money. So we are going to do it with the can. In the future, not so far future, in the near future, I go into the one with the coconut where you cook from scratch. So you'll get your original coconut and your original peas, no can thing. But today, we are doing the fast way. For the people who have problem breaking the coconut, boiling the peas and everything. Me are gonna make it more easier and simpler for you guys. So stick and stay with me. Yes sir, so welcome back. So now we're going to cut the coconut milk, because I know them sophisticated one where you pop the cap, you know what I mean? You have to cut that one. So I cut it. Alright, so coconut milk cut. Use a knife and kind of pick up the lid. Alright. So we now make nothing waste in us, so we'll go in with some water and wash out the can. Because we now make nothing waste. As the teacher would have said, nothing now waste, nothing now dash away. Alright, we'll put that aside. So we'll go in now. Go in now and open your peas. Well, the peas are one of the pop caps, so we'll go in and pop him open. And always remember to get the dark red kidney beans. Dark red? Yes, that's how you need. You don't need the light one, because if you get the light one, it's not going to provide you with the redness there where you all look for. You have to get the dark red one. And all of the redness, more time always itch up at the bottom, so you have to rinse it out. Oh, I got a little spillage. Yeah, you have to rinse him out. So we are going to put some more water in him. Shake it out thoroughly. So you get all the sleeping there at the bottom of the can. Alright? Can clean. Alright, we are going to clean up a little spillage of what it go on here. So you remember it? Yeah. Clean it up. Alright, so we'll cover up back pot now and make pot. Make pot go and boil. So after pot start boil now, we are going to add we seasoning them. We'll season it up when the pot start boil. So stick and stay with me, because when we come back. Yes guys, so welcome back. So now we're gonna start the seasoning up process of the peas. Okay, so now we're gonna put all these herbs and spices. So I'm gonna go ahead by crushing my my garlic. So I got 2 garlic cloves. Go ahead and crush them. And you know rice and peas can't cook without garlic. So give him a little stir. But what I need to tell you, viewers and subscribers, that even though this peas was in the can, already cooked and everything, it ain't gonna give you that redness that you would get if you cook your peas yourself. You buy your peas at the store and cook it yourself. You ain't gonna get that authentic redness that you're looking for. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my allspice berries. Add them. That's another key component. You can't cook rice and peas without thyme, your green Scotch bonnet pepper, and your green onions. So I'm gonna go ahead, drop them bad boys in. Go ahead, pick off the bottom of these. Wash them. Make sure they wash. Don't put no scallion in your pot unless you wash it. You got to wash your scallion. So I'm going to break them up like this. Crush these parts. And then break it up like that. And just crush them out like that. And that's it. Alright, kind of clean up the area. Cover your pot a little bit. And turn down. So I don't want no boil over going on right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead now and add some tablespoon. So if you have seasoned salt, regular seasoned salt, you can use that. But I'm using some jerk seasoning. Jerk seasoning give it that kick. So that would make a tablespoon. The chef can't come to the phone now. The chef cooking up a storm. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and taste my pot. Tastes good already, people. I'm not reached nowhere yet. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add some salt. The jerk seasoning already have salt, so you don't want to add too much salt. So like about a quarter tablespoon salt to taste, to your taste. Yes. Right, so cover him back up now. And make your seasoning go and cook in here. And if your rice dirty, now is the time now you pour your rice in your bowl and go and pick your rice and ready for cooking. So when we come back, guys, I'm going to show you the whole washing rice process and how you go about cooking your perfect shelly rice and peas, Jamaican style, yardman style. Soon come back. Yes, guys, so reach that time, I go wash the rice. Normally, Mr. people, if for the parboiled rice them use, them to wash it, but not in my cabinet. I have to wash my rice, you know, you walk in the rice. So we're going now and wash my rice. Yes. See, people use strainer. We now use a strainer because we have the skills. We know what we are doing. Alright. First one. We have to wash it about 3 times. Get out the excess starch. So, wash out the rice. You want to make sure all the starch come out as much as you can get out. You know, get out everything, but as much as you can. You see, that's the third water. You see, it's still white, so we'll go in again. Gonna go in again and wash him again. And if you don't wash your rice, when you're eating your rice, it's gonna give you a little bad taste, maybe a little odor. You know what I mean? It smells old. You don't want that. You want to make sure you wash out all the starch out of it. Alright, so you might get a little clearer now. Alright, so we're going to go in now and add them to the pot. Yeah, man, well, look water left in the bowl, I just run it in it, cause that now go cost no harm to the pot. And the way of things expensive, you want to make sure it's no grain, no waste. Stir him up now. Stir him up. Because if you don't stir him, all of your peas are going to be at bottom. So you want to make sure you give him a proper stirring. And at this stage now, you turn down your stove to the lowest level where you can turn it. Because if you don't turn it down, then you would have a burn rice. Nobody don't want a burn rice. That's true. Yes, so I'm going to teach you a trick with the rice now. I'm not going to put my finger in it still, but when you put your rice in your pot, you want to make sure that the water doesn't pass that first crease of your finger, which is 1 inch. Yes, so you need to make sure the water is 1 inch over your rice. Anything over that is a possibility you might have a soft rice. And nobody don't want a soft rice. That may I tell you now. So, about the next 10 minutes, should have absorbed all the water out of it, and the cooking process should be well advanced. So, we'll come back that time. So when we come back, show you what I go on. Yes, people, welcome back. Come on over here. Let me show you what's going on in the pot. So Alright, let the steam. Yes. So we'll see what I go on now. We'll go ahead now and pick it up. This is called the pick up process. You know what I mean? Yes. This process now, if you find yourself with some extra hard grain, you just know, so yes, you have to do what is called steaming. You go ahead and steam your rice. But so far, so good. Seems like I'm good. Alright, so at this stage you go ahead and pick out what you don't want in your pot. So like your green onions and your thyme. Now is the time you go ahead and part ways with them. Alright, so next time when we come back, we're going to be eating rice and peas.
So, Billy, I have a question. Where do you get your cooking skills from? Where do you get all these good cooking skills from? Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. The man could cook it. I'm not just saying because he's my partner in crime, but the man could cook. He could shell it, as they say.
Well, I was born with it. Ain't nobody teach me this. I look at my mama a couple times, but I think it's an inborn thing.
Let me correct you on that. I think you get it from number one, uno, Norma Ready. Because Miss Nam, as they say, Miss Nam, Miss Nam can cook. Burn it. His mama could cook.
Miss Nam can cook. We can't take away that front. Miss Nam is our old patriot on the biz.
Yes, yes, that lady can burn. I don't mean burn up stuff, I mean could cook.
Yeah, man, Miss Nam can do him thing, man, but now I gotta tell them a lie. We get two of the tricks from her, yes.
Yes, you got a lot of tricks from her.
I get two of the tricks from her, but most of my tricks, I would say, is an inborn thing. Because we don't go to school for it. You know what I mean? It's just start at a tender age, cooking with friends and running around and, you know what I mean? Nurture the talent that I'm born with and see that to them. So when we come back, we should be over with it and then dishing and presentation when we come back. So stick and stay. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Over here now we have the finished rice and peas. Aye.
You got a shock?
Come on over here and show the people what I'm going in the pot. In the pot. Hold on.
That's it. Good old rice and peas.
Shelly rice, people. Shelly rice. Let me take out the thyme. Yes, people.
Miss Nam, you taught the boy well. Look at it, Miss Nam. Look, look, look.
Yes.
Y'all don't know who Miss Nam is? That's the chef. That's his mama. That's Nama. This is Nama boy.
Yes, people. So now we are going to do a little touch of tasting.
So now all you need is just swim around to go with it. And that's
Taste it, guys. It's to love it. And you let me tell you something. Make I break it down for you now. With this rice and peas here, you can go with fried chicken, brown stew chicken, curry chicken, fish,
jerk chicken,
jerk pork, brown stew pork, vegetable,
barbecue ribs.
The list goes on, a long list. It's compatible with every meat kind you can think of. Okay? So when we come back, we'll plate it, we'll take it out of the pot, make you see it, and make you see what I go on for it. When we come back. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. See me with my fault. You know what time is it? Here is my finished rice and peas. And once me cook something when me eat, you know me I go try it. You see Shelly? Look. No clam up. You see it? Yeah, you can pick them out one. Pick out the grain them one. So take it up. You know, once something when me eat, you know. I have to test it on screen, make you guys see what I go on. Yeah, man. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, people. So, for this and any other Jamaican recipe or international too, run over to the channel, Roaming with the Bennetts. If you're not subscribed yet, why you wait, pan? Join the team, no man. Yeah, man, rice and peas shot, man. Rice and peas, good. Good. So, until next time, see ya.